理查英语通周三新闻报。各位同学，大家好。我们今天要分享的英语新闻主题为 To Infinity and Beyond. Join NASA's Cosmic Expedition to Europa. 紧接着，我们进入到新闻文章的部分。Since the dawn of the space age almost 7 decades ago, aeronautical technology has improved by leaps and bounds. That being said, a general consensus among the scientific community suggests that humans have only discovered about 5% of the entire universe so far, with the remaining 95% or so comprising dark energy and dark matter that we fundamentally do not understand. Yet, despite knowing about just a fraction of what's out there, scientists have still managed to discover galaxies billions of light years away from Earth. And the more we learn about outer space, the more we see how much more there is to explore. NASA's Europa Clipper is one of the newest spacecraft at our disposal for future space explorations. Life on our planet requires 3 things to thrive: a source of energy like sunlight, water, and elements like carbon that can form organic matter. All 3 elements may be present on Jupiter's icy moon Europa, which is slightly smaller than our own moon. Covered with an ice shell measuring roughly 20 kilometers thick, Europa possesses a saltwater ocean which may be up to 150 kilometers deep. Scientists have estimated that its ocean may contain twice or even thrice as much water as all of Earth's oceans combined. Scheduled to be launched in 2024 and arrive at Jupiter in 2030, the space mission will be the first in history with the purpose of exploring a world besides Earth with a global ocean. Europa Clipper's main science objective is to determine whether it has the right conditions for life and possesses habitability potential for us. The mission's detailed exploration of Europa will also help us understand the prospects for life on other ocean worlds in our solar system and further the understanding for habitable worlds beyond Earth. Once assembly of Europa Clipper is finished at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, the spacecraft will be shipped to Kennedy Space Center in Florida in preparation for launch in October 2024. Message in a Bottle draws from NASA's long tradition of shipping inspirational messages on spacecraft that explore the universe, which is a program aiming to spark the interests and imaginations of ordinary people around the world. The campaign is due to end at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, December 31st, 2023, and approximately 1 million names have already been submitted so far. The names submitted by people all around the globe will ultimately be stenciled onto a dime-sized silicon microchip by NASA technicians with the help of electron beam technology. On the finished chip, each line of text will be smaller than 1,000th the width of a human hair, invisible to the naked eye. Only 6 weeks remain for you to add your name to a microchip which will be attached to a metal plate engraved with U.S. Poet Laureate Ada Lemone's In Praise of Mystery, a poem for Europa, to celebrate the mission. Writing on the exterior of the spacecraft, the poem and names will travel roughly 700 million kilometers in space to this new world with oceans. Don't hesitate, submit your name today and join the cosmic voyage. 接下来是单字与片语的部分，每个单字与片语将会念2次。Consensus, matter, spacecraft, spacecraft, element, element, habitability, habitability, prospect, prospect, laureate, laureate, voyage, voyage, aeronautical, aeronautical, comprise, comprise, fundamentally, fundamentally, thrive, thrive, thrice, thrice, spark, spark, stencil, stencil, engrave, engrave, by leaps and bounds, by leaps and bounds, a fraction of something, a fraction of something, at one's disposal, at one's disposal, with the purpose of doing something, with the purpose of doing something, be due to, be due to. 最后是我们的相关图片部分。以上是我们今天的英语新闻内容，我们下次见。